The next data type is string. String is a collection data type or a multi-data type or iterable. It is a collection of characters, that is alphabets, numbers and special characters. The boundary is single quote, double quote or triple quote. String is ordered. String can contain repeated characters. String is immutable, represented as str. Constructor is str. It is used to convert any data type to string. The syntax is variable name is equal to string value. The length of string is found by using the len function, len of string variable or len of string. str1 is equal to abc print len of str1 . The answer is 3. Print len of abcd executed 4. Escape characters. /n is used to get characters in next line. /t gives a tab space. raw string. A string is prefixed by smaller or capital R to consider it as a string without any special meaning. It is used to extract files. Variable name is equal to a small r string. Variable name is equal to capital R string. Prefixing a string with / means that the character inside a string is considered as it is without any special meaning. Raw string cannot take odd number of /. Example: is equal to hello single quotes print string 1 hello double quotes welcome to Python's session will give an error, hence so we can use double quotes and then print the string as it is. In order to print multiple lines, triple quote is used to type multiple lines in the string. Formatting string. A format string is used to customize a string. For example, name is equal to Vinny, age is equal to 8, print f my name is curly brackets name comma age is age executed in place of this name, the value is replaced with it. Next is print my name is curly brackets and age is dot format name comma age Formatting is done by calling the dot format method. Here the placeholder brackets is used to infuse the data at runtime. There are three types of placeholders. Empty placeholder, the interpreter takes the position of the elements. Key placeholder, interpreter takes for the value stored in the key. Index placeholder, interpreter takes the index of the elements stored in the format string. Indexing in string is used to extract character from the string. There is two, that is positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing starts from 0 to length of variable -1. It's extract from the front. Positive indexing. Negative indexing starts from the last to the first, -1 to minus length of variable. Square brackets is used to mention the index value. Round brackets is used to call any value inside the address. For example, string 1 is equal to hello world. The length of string 1 is 11 characters. Positive index starts from here. Positive index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is 0 to length of the string -1. 11 minus 10 minus 9 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. String 1 of, in positive indexing it is 10 and in negative indexing it is -1. Slicing is the process of extracting multiple characters in a string. Syntax is variable name in square brackets, start index, end index and step value. Start index default is 0, end index is length of the variable +1, step value default value is 1. tr1 equal to hello world. To extract all the characters, colon is used. To extract hello, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 +1, 5. Print str1 of 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 +1, 5. End index, positive indexing, end index should add +1. negative indexing and index -1. Print string 1 of ::1 will give us the reverse of the string. String 1 of -2 will give a reverse by skipping each character. Print string 1 of ::2 will give alternate characters. ::3 will skip 2 characters. Operators used in string plus operators used for concatenation. String 1 is equal to ABC. String 2 is equal to DEF. Print string 1 plus string 2. It is concatenated. TR3 is equal to 10. 4 is equal to 20. Print str3 plus str4. String is concatenated. The next operator is star operator, which is used for duplicating. Print str1 star 2. ABC is duplicated. Star operator is also used for unpacking. That is print star of str1. It is unpacked. The string is unpacked. Program to swap two numbers without using third variable. Num1 is equal to 10, num2 is equal to 20. Print format string before swapping num1 and num2. It will take the values at the interpreter will take the values from the variable stored, and then we swap num1, num2 is equal to num2, num1. After swapping, using the format string, we print it num1 and num2, so we can see the values before swapping and after swapping.